Welcome, beautiful people around the world. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Yuki, and I hope you're loving yourself as much as I love you all. I really hope so, because today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go over the charts for Bitcoin and see what's going on. Obviously, we see in the last couple hours, especially during this recording, we did drop about a good percentage. And could we be seeing another downfall with Bitcoin, it going past where our bottom is? Essentially, is that can we reach another bottom? Can we keep going down further? I'll be talking more about that in the video. Also, we got BITBOY crypto over there, and next to FTX, Sam Bankman fraud. Everything over there, like, it's pretty funny. Like, I'll show you some of the tweets that they've already had. It's really entertaining, honestly. For what he's doing over here for the crypto space is really awesome. So keep doing what you're doing, man. And also, we're gonna be talking about more about the blockchain games as well. So, and also about the game awards, they're gonna be coming up as well. So make sure to stay tuned for the video, because we have a lot of stuff to talk about and a lot of TA stuff and everything to look through in the crypto space. But let's jump into the video with the first one. Obviously, oh wow, I actually just put up Spotify for some reason. I was like, you know what? Yeah, let's listen to music while we're doing it. We should have music already in the background anyway. So, but anyway, here we go with Bitcoin. We are in a descending triangle right now. It's not looking that good right now. I mean, for the most part, we could break up at least into, maybe I would say into the 1700s. Maybe break up to, at least 16.7, the 1700s, and kind of just ride up all the way to possibly around where our next resistance is probably going to be 18 to 19, stuff like that. We could definitely see that, but I don't see a lot of support right now, especially with a lot of stuff that's going on. There's some stuff on Twitter, people saying that, Solana, as much of a project that could have been so well, could have done so well in the space, definitely calling it a Celsius 2.0 or even a Luna, but who knows? We'll see what happens with that as well. But I'm not doing the TA for that, obviously, because I'm not trying to get involved into that situation. But that is something to definitely look for when you're going into trading and stuff like that, to see where that's going to head over. But anyway, like I said, I definitely see this to kind of bounce off this resistance line where we've been forming already in this descending triangle. We could definitely see more downside, just to kind of test probably around like 15.6 or even 15.8 as well, and to see a resistance line trying to kind of bounce up and trying to keep us to going more upside than the downside. Because once we get to that downside and we start hitting these lines here, pretty much it's gonna go really down, and really down south very fast. So but yes, hold on to your boots, shoes, everything like that, because we be going down really fast. Just letting you guys know. So if you guys are into trading and stuff like that, I would definitely look into a short once we start breaking those as well. So because again, we're going to be going down fast anyway. But I don't see that in the near future. I mean, probably I would say in maybe a week or so. I'm not predicting it. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, not the future teller. But I am someone that is looking at and at least for trading wise, and seeing where I can be at, the best fit for myself, to put myself in the best position to make the most gains off the trades and stuff like that. So that's kind of where I see it. I kind of definitely see it possibly hitting this resistance line, and it trying to work its way up again, but it could definitely break again. There's a lot of support in this area right now that we're building, so but it could definitely not break as well. But it's all up to you guys and where you guys want to be at, and that's kind of where I'm looking at. I'm just trying to see in the past couple days, and just seeing where my next big trade, where I could be selling or longing, where that will go. But we're gonna jump over to Twitter and seeing what Ben Armstrong is doing over there, which is the guy over at BITBOY crypto. This is like I think this was 2 days ago. He's been over in Bahamas, and that's where FTX is at, and well, he's knocking on the front door to see what's going on, and he's saying, let's talk. He wants to talk, he wants to see what's going on, what is happening over there at FTX. Definitely kind of funny that they have this. Sam, have you read the receipts on and didn't respond? Come on, bro. And then he posts let me in, Sam. Hey, good morning, Sam. We still have data to make this happen. Let's talk, bro. Having breakfast. What are you doing? Left you a message, bro, trying to send you this pizza. What do you want? So in a way, it kind of seems like he's trolling him, but he's just really trying to talk to him. I mean, again, SPF, I guess has like a, Sam has like a video conference or some type of like interview that he's gonna be having shortly, and we're gonna see what he has to say on that. But Ben is definitely down there talking to cops and stuff like that, and trying to figure out how we can definitely get him behind bars. And that's what his mission is to definitely get him behind bars as fast as possible. So definitely interesting to seeing where this is gonna go. So, but hey, if you guys haven't been following this, is probably the most entertaining thing on Twitter right now, is definitely seeing this as well. So hey, BitBoy, do your thing, keep killing it, and we'll be here supporting. So, but let's jump over into some of the articles that we saw for blockchain gaming, because again, this channel is mainly around blockchain gaming, but also we do other crypto stuff as well, talk about some of the news that happens around the crypto space. But again, blockchain gaming, that's the stuff that I love the most part about this sector and about this space, is because I definitely see the space growing very, very well in the blockchain gaming side of crypto, or GameFi, or whatever you want to call it. Still trying to figure out a name for it, because everyone has like a different name for it. I think GameFi is more of a term that we're using, so maybe I might start using GameFi instead of blockchain gaming. So who knows? But let me know in the comments below if you guys agree. Should I start using GameFi or blockchain gaming? Let me know. But we got our first article here, and this one kind of is really interesting, because this definitely is something that should be worrying. If you're getting into crypto gaming as well. So, and this is an opinion article, so obviously not factual. This is more of this person's opinion, but they said that the reasons bots dominate crypto gaming, is it for cash grubbing developers, incentivizing them? So are these developers making games specifically for bots to be able to trade into these games and be able to make money? And that's definitely a concerning thing when it comes to crypto gaming. Again, when it comes about scamming and stuff like that, this is the stuff that I don't want to be a part of. I don't want to be a part of stuff like this, where I put my money in expecting that these wallets that are so active all the time, I'm expecting these wallets and everything around the game space and everything like that to be legit people, right? I don't want bots to be able to trade in stuff, and it doesn't seem right? It doesn't seem like it's authentic, right? So that is something that it could be very worrisome in the crypto space. So definitely we're probably gonna have to be doing a lot of investigating in this space, to seeing where the strong projects lie, and where the fake projects and we just remove those as well. Because again, that's how I know that the current GameFi space is, again what they're saying, is no breeding ground for gamers like myself and enthusiastic peers. It's a breeding ground for bots. So again, another worrisome that they can sell NFTs. Again, that's something, and other currencies to get through the initial stage level hoops, try to earn enough cash to continue building. The more they sell, the better their chances. It's easy to see how these builders are inherently invulnerable to what a little bit of hype can do. It can literally make or break a project, and I'm telling you, that's exactly what we could be seeing with gaming as well. So if we do start seeing projects out there that are definitely supportive about botting, and definitely start seeing some really unfishy stuff, definitely gonna have to point that out. I'm definitely gonna have to tell you guys, because again, just because your numbers are up and high and stuff like that doesn't mean that it's all legit as well, right? You got to see that consistency of the wallets that are being used, or the active users and everything like that. Because again, I think there was something in this article that also said something about 40% of like the gaming market right now, I believe, is bots as well. So again, probably not a good sign if you are looking into blockchain gaming or GameFi or anything like that, knowing that there's not a lot of real people out there. It's not 100%, right? But then again, you know, I do trust the space and I do love the space enough to be a part of it, because I know that simple things like this can be fixed, and I hope that they do get fixed very fast, so then we have the next generation of, you know, whatever, when to earn, you know, all the earns can be really polished and not and have a like maybe authentication, right, that knowing that it's a person instead of a bot. So really awesome to see this article, but also, you know, to kind of get your, you know, heads up that stuff could be scammy out there, obviously. But here we go into the next article that says a play to earn blockchain game awards 2022 announces with a $10,000 in prizes. So obviously, if you're not it's $10,000 for everything, but it says that so I guess the I want to say the company or something, but playtoearn.net has announced the blockchain game awards with $10,000 in prizes for content creators. So this is something I don't know anything about. I wasn't invited or was it mentioned or anything like that, so I don't know personally. But if I'm on there, you know, hey, vote for me. I would really appreciate that. The public is invited to vote for this year's best blockchain games. So really interesting to see another blockchain game awards as well. So we do have the other awards as well for the game awards, the GAME3 awards as well. I think I put that on the last video. Essentially was you know, if you guys wanted to vote for me, you guys definitely can, obviously. I would be very much appreciated if you guys do, but you don't have to, right? You don't have to, but that is something that I think it's going to be really interesting to see just how well this website already looks compared to the other one. But again, I'm not sponsored to talk about them at all, but you know, we have 17 days for this one, and the other one, I believe that's another article that we're going to be talking about as well. But this one is says 27. Okay, so this was already prized out December 1st through December 29th. So I'm wondering, since the voting period is this long, so and it'll be announced 2 weeks later. So I'm not too sure if they're gonna have an event for this. They may just host it online and just kind of post an article out saying what the, you know, who won and stuff like that. So again, if I'm on there, please vote for me. I really appreciate that. If not, obviously, you know, vote for whoever you want on there, and you know, just vote for the games out there, because again, you know, the more, you know, active you know, people are out there that are, you know, supporting the developers and these games out there that are really trying to get some recognition, stuff like that, that have been putting a lot of hard work into it. You know, you want some type of validation for your game that you've been putting you know, all this work in. You know, you want to have some type of like, you know, like excitement that, you know, that you achieved something with this. You know, you achieved something with this project. You achieved a lot with the fan base that you have as well, so, and that you're building. So again, if you guys like this stuff and you guys want to vote, make sure to vote as well. So, but we're gonna get into the next article here. We have Floki, again, not sponsored to talk about these companies at all. So but I'm also not a financial advisor. Again, please do your research when investing into any projects. But Floki Inu releases an 88-second trailer of the Valhalla play to earn metaverse game. So it's kind of what it looks like, at least with this you know, graphical. Pretty interesting. I like how they have the PlayStation controller as well, and on a tablet. So don't really know much about this game, but from what it says is that they say that it's a 3D metaverse NFT game that is being developed by the Floki team. Cobra Kai explained in the AMA it will allow players to play and earn once it's on the mainnet, and we have a live alpha. I was just playing before the call that is open for everyone to play, which is really exciting. So if you guys definitely want to check this out, leave a link in the description so you guys can go check them out, and to see if you guys want to be a part of it as well. It's very interesting, but it's very similar to some of the games out there. So if you do guys like this type of gameplay, you know, let me know in the comments below. If you guys want me to play it, definitely let me know in the comments below, because, you know, I would like to know what you guys think about, you know, games like this or any other games out there, you know, stuff like that. So it says this game is pushing the boundaries of blockchain gaming and will introduce aspects of blockchain gaming that have been rarely been seen before. It says to 30 people, individual territories, raiding farms, resources, critter collections, and all of it's on the blockchain. So if you guys want to support them, if you guys want to look into more of the game, and if you're really interested into it, check them out. Floki Inu's new game Valhalla. So let's check over to the next article. Where, remember the Magic the Gathering? Well, its creator is going to launch a new NFT game. So Richard Garfield, the creator of the iconic Magic the Gathering trading card game, has partnered with Tyranno Studios to launch Blockchain Brawlers. So Blockchain Brawlers is a wrestling themed NFT game. It lets you battle, trade, and sell your tradable NFT cards. The addition of Garfield's signifies a shift towards a more gameplay focused GameFi narrative and a reduction of the speculative aspects of a play to earn. So more about the gameplay rather than the play to earn. That could be really interesting and could be really exciting, especially they're already known for trading card games. They're already known for a really big popular game. So this is going to be really interesting, guys. This is going to be something that's going to be on my radar for sure. I've never been a big fan of Magic the Gathering, but I can see why a lot of people like it, right? So I'm definitely going to be looking into this one because obviously the play to earn aspect, but also just the gameplay itself, to seeing what they're going to be doing differently with this aspect of Web3 and Web2 together. So again, that's why I'm really excited. And also it's on the Wax blockchain network. Blockchain Brawlers, well, again, if you guys don't know, Blockchain Brawlers is a play to earn battle strategy game where players can own NFT wrestler cards and an NFT ring that enables users to earn Brawl, which is their token, in-game token. The digital brawlers can be equipped with various gear that serve as purposes like increasing damage. So looks like that you're gonna have an NFT character, and you're gonna be able to, you know, add stuff onto that character to add, you know, obviously increasing damage, probably more armor and stuff like that. So it's gonna be really interesting, and obviously a ring as well. So you're probably gonna have your own little like area, I guess, on the you know on the map or something like that. That you're gonna have your own ring, or I don't know how it's gonna work, but it's what it sounds like. But you know, another way to make more money for yourself. Because again, you're gonna have to put money into the game to really utilize the NFTs and stuff like that, because they are not free. Obviously, if you're buying a game, you know, and then you buy a skin inside of the game, you know, essentially, you know, you didn't get it for free, right? You paid for the you know, a legendary skin or something, a skin that looks really awesome. So again, if you're going to be buying a NFT wrestler, but also you can make money out of the NFT wrestler compared to buying it from a skin on a, you know, Call of Duty game that you'll never get to make money off that, because you just spent that money, you gave that money away to the developers, and that's it, right? You buy an NFT for this, you're supporting the game, but also supporting, you know, the community and stuff like that, and you're also supporting the value of that character or whatever, you know, upgrades that you have on it. So again, really exciting. This is kind of like a you know, I guess a beta gameplay of what it kind of looks like. So really interesting. I would definitely mess with this. This is definitely something would be really awesome to play. So I'm definitely excited to see it, because I love wrestling in general. So I'm a big wrestling fan. So definitely would love to see and try this game out, you know, especially you know, who's behind it as well. So again, exciting. But again, the Game Awards is coming in 17 days, so if you guys want to support them as well, I haven't got a confirmation yet if I'm gonna get co-hosted or you know, you know, be able to, you know, stream this on the channel as well. But I'll probably more likely be able to it's a weird way of saying it. I'll more likely be able to stream it on Twitch, probably not on YouTube, just because of maybe music and stuff like that. So who knows? I'll definitely let you guys know if I can stream it on YouTube, but more likely I'll be able to stream it on Twitch. So I'm excited about just watching this and everything around this space, about just knowing some of the new projects and some of the projects that I've already seen before and talked about. So again, I'm excited to see what your guys' thoughts and everything around the space. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate love and support you guys show me every single day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. I hope we can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, be ourselves, and follow our dreams, because I know you can do it. I love you all.